Today, I'm going to show you how to get those gloriously shiny edges on your leather projects. The kind that screams, this person knows what they're doing. Sure, shiny edges might seem like a tiny detail, but trust me, it's the tiny details that separate the, wow, nice leather work, to, can I buy this off you? So let's go and make your edges so shiny, they'll make your unfinished projects jealous. Step 1, bevel your edges. First, grab your edge beveler and clean up those edges. If you skip this step, your edges will mushroom over time. And no, not the fun kind of mushroom, more like a sad, soggy kind that ruins the look of your leather. Key tips for beveling. 1. Hold your beveler at the same angle. Consistency is king. 2. Once you start a line, do not stop. Stopping halfway is like leaving a haircut unfinished. No one's impressed. 3. Take your time, especially around those corners. Rushing corners is a great way to make them look like abstract art. And 4, keep your beveling tool sharp. A dull tool is basically leather's way of laughing at you. Step 2, now it's sanding time. If you have a belt sander, congratulations, you've unlocked easy mode. If not, you can sand by hand, it'll just take a little bit longer. But on the bright side, you'll get a mini arm workout in. Use fine or medium grit sandpaper and focus on evening out those edges. The smoother the surface, the shinier the finish. Also, don't forget to sand the beveled sides. Step 3. Dyeing or painting your edges. If your leather is pre-dyed, you can skip this step, but if you want your edges to pop, or if you enjoy the kind of pain that comes with hand dyeing, you can add some color. I like to re-dye my edges for the wood grain look, but you can also go bold with an accent color. Just remember, keep the dye on the edges. Stray dye isn't quote-unquote rustic charm. It's, I ran out of patience halfway through. Pro tip, use a fine brush or, for the financially savvy, a Q-tip, because nothing says I know what I'm doing like crafting with bathroom supplies. Step 4, it's finally time to burnish. This is where the magic or the madness happens. You'll need tokonol, fine grit sandpaper, probably around 220 grit, and an old piece of canvas or denim. Yes, denim, because what else are you going to do with those pair of jeans that hasn't fit you since 2017? Generously apply tokonol to the edge, like you're trying to bribe it into behaving. Then grab your canvas or denim and scrub the edge like you're scrubbing a crime scene. Lay the piece flat for the sides and hold it up for the top. Once it's dry, lightly sand the edge with your fine grit sandpaper, then repeat. Keep going until the edge is shiny enough to blind someone. And there you go. Your edges are nice and shiny. Adding this final touch gives your leather projects that professional look that sets them apart. If this video helped you at all, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Pured Leather for more leatherworking tips and content. Don't forget to subscribe here if you want to see more videos just like this one. You can also check out my website, puredleather.com, where I sell my own finished leather goods. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.